Hey guys, Kevin, Muddy River Tactical. I'm back today showing you how to adjust the retention on your IWB Kydex holster. This particular holster is a light bearing version. However, it works the exact same on light bearing or non-light bearing holsters. This one happens to be for a AXG Legion 365 with a TLR7A. Like I said, it's going to be the same on either one. So on these two screws, this one happens to have a claw on it, which we'll show you how to take the claw off in a minute, but it's also the same concept. These two screws, or the two screws under the barrel, are what adjusts your retention. So as you can see right now, this retention is fairly light in the big scheme of things, but retention is one of those things, there's no perfect retention for everybody. What I think is good, somebody may think is loose or too tight. It just varies greatly across the board. So giving you the adjustable retention allows you to fine tune it to what you need. So to do that, like all our other hardware, we switched to Phillips screw. Everybody has a Phillips screwdriver in their house. That's why we switched to them. The Allen heads before we used, not everybody had a 3/32 Allen head, so it just wasn't convenient. So they're all Phillips now. So to do it, you can tighten them. I suggest tighten them both equally when you do it. Don't have it all lopsided. It'll make the fitment different. But you can see we just tightened them roughly a turn, and you can see and hear how much different the retention is already. So let's go a little bit more here. So now it's way tighter. So it just allows you to adjust it however you want. And also when you're adjusting your retention on your holster, I highly suggest you do it like this. However, when you put this holster on there or wearing it, the retention feels completely different when you're wearing it inside your waistband and how you draw. So definitely before you get it super tight and then put it on, definitely try it back and forth, how you wear it in your normal draw cycle, and fine tune it off of that, and you'll be good to go. So until next time, keep practicing and always be prepared.